How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make yellow teeth white again. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So yellow teeth, you guys, you can make them white again. It is possible. It's not impossible. Look at my teeth. My teeth are super, super white. I get lots of comments from actually random people saying, hey, you have a nice smile, you have nice teeth. There is an easy trick that you can do. Now, a lot of people say brushing your teeth. Brushing your teeth is good for maintenance of teeth, but if you have yellow teeth, brushing your teeth is not going to make them white. It's going to maintain that level of color on your teeth. So if your teeth are yellow and you continue to brush your teeth, they're going to probably stay yellow. They're not just going to become white because you brush your teeth. Most people brush their teeth every single day, and yet some people have white teeth, some people have yellow teeth. So brushing your teeth isn't the only thing. I mean, it's important to do, but it's not really the best thing to get your teeth to turn white. What you need to do, and this is a very simple process, I do it every day in the morning. When I had yellow teeth, I used to have yellow teeth. My teeth were pretty bad, to be honest. And the reason why I changed it is a friend of mine said, hey, your teeth are really yellow. It was pretty rude, actually. But I'm like, yeah, you know what? They kind of are. So I did some research, did some experimenting, and oil pulling is by far the best method. All it is, it sounds confusing, oil pulling. It's really not. It's literally 1 tablespoon of olive oil and you swish it in the front of your teeth like this for about 20 to 30 seconds and then you spit it out. Do this twice a day, morning, before going to bed. Once your teeth become white, which they will, you'll start noticing a difference after 2 to 3 days. Once they become white, you just do it in the morning to maintain that level of whiteness. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.